Hi, this is Kevin from Christ Connection with a thought for you that hopefully is an encouragement to you. I was rereading a portion of the book, The Celebration of Discipline by Richard Foster. And in it he talks about the story of Ananias and the conversion of Paul. And if you remember, Paul has been blinded by the light. God has spoken to him and called him to the ministry and turned him from a persecutor into a follower of Jesus. And now he's blind, and he's in the town of Damascus, and he's kind of waiting there. He's fasting and he's praying. And God speaks to a man named Ananias, and then here's what he says. The Lord said to him, "Go to the house of Judas on Straight Street, and ask for a man from Tarsus named Saul, for he is praying." And Richard Foster pointed out the fact that God gave him directions. Go to this straight house on Straight Street. And was encouraging people to listen to God. And I would like to encourage you with that today. If you spend some time listening to God, who knows what specific instructions He'll give you. It may be down to the house to go and visit, maybe a person to talk to, maybe a person to send an email to, a phone call to make. Who knows what specific instructions He's going to give you, but it takes the requirement that you have to listen. You got to be open to Him speaking to you, and who knows what adventure He'll send you on today. Let me just encourage you, take some time to listen, and let's see what God would do. Thanks, and have a great day.